Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So obviously, you know, whenever I'm in this type of setting or when I got the arm extended, that we're doing a vlog today. So I mentioned a few videos back, it was on my Princess Polly video, that I was going to get started on my beauty room and just purchasing things and just decorating it and just getting it together in general. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I decided to make this into kind of like a mini series on how I declutter the room, how I organize, just basically the making of the room. I just want to be able to walk into that space and feel inspired. It's actually mind-blowing to me that I am able to create such a space, and just a blessing overall. I used to be the girl like literally looking on YouTube like years ago, just loving, wishing, praying, hoping that I can get a room dedicated to just YouTube and like just YouTube and fashion and just like all things beauty. To me, it's really a blessing that I'm able to create that type of space for myself now, and then also have the funds to do it because it ain't cheap, okay? So as you can tell by the title of this vlog, is going to be basically me doing a declutter and telling you my vision. So I think that'll be pretty cool, interesting, exciting, you know what I mean? I enjoy videos like this because, like I mentioned, it just gives me inspiration, and then I also like to see how people do certain things and incorporate certain things. So hopefully you all will enjoy these type of videos. But anyway, let me show you the room. All right, you guys, so I'm about to show you this room. This is going to be the beauty room slash studio room slash office, just an all-in-one room. I definitely want my vision to come together, so you're gonna see how messy and junky this room is. Again, do not judge me, but yes, let's go in. Like, it is so messy. So just to be honest with you, I use this room primarily for filming, and with this room I have accumulated a lot of clothes. As you know, I am a fashion blogger, so I do get a lot of clothes. I do a lot of collaborations every month, so I accumulate a lot of clothes, and you know, sometimes it's very overwhelming, and especially like whenever I have photo shoot days, like I just have like a lot of stuff like just going on. So anyway, just to give you a space of the room, this is basically the room, and I am going to transform this room. You're going to see that in the next few vlogs to come. But let me just go in here. So we have so this is where the door is, and then we have like this little wall area here where I think I'm going to put my vanity. As you can see, I just have like a TV, I have like vision boards, I have just camera equipment, just all types of equipment right here. I do have packages that I have to do a video on, and like I literally just open them, see if they work for me, and then I'm just leave them right there. Like, what am I doing? That's the closet, which is a whole nother story. A ladder, because I have very high ceilings. I don't know if you can see, but these are 10-foot ceilings, so I definitely need a ladder for whenever I'm like trying to do certain things, like get certain items or put certain things up, you know. So yeah, but I was just trying to get some shoes out of the closet, so that's why that's there. It usually stays in the washroom, but I haven't had a chance to actually put it back there. But yes, I have this little cubby. Like, I think you would call this like a little cube cubby thing. I don't know what you would call it, but I got this for basically just my shoes back in my old apartment. I just brought it over. It was extremely cheap. It was from Target or Walmart, one of the two. I made it myself and put it together, and it's beneficial, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. But yeah, that's where that is. I mean, I have a lot of accessories and shoes and purses just stuck in there. It's not really organized in no shape, way, or form. So I definitely want to get that together. Over there, that door leads to the second guest bathroom. But this is my clothing rack full of like just the clothes from the last collaboration, and then purses and boxes and just shoes all over the place. Like literally, this is a mess. This is like This is actually clothes that I've tried on or taken a picture in, and I just leave them right there. I gotta get my life together. I mean, I promise you guys I am not this messy in real life, but this room I can't explain it. And generally I do like to go in and deep clean this room, so every now and then. So I would like hang things up or just kind of stuff everything into the closet, and I'm like, oh, I'll deal with it later. So it's not always this messy. I probably can count over the past 7-8 months that I've been here how many times it's been like this. And then just here are some of my shoes that I have that I'm going to be putting in my pack system. Not all of them, but I just have them lying there. And then this is just like, as I mentioned, I have high ceilings. I haven't put curtains up in here yet. The window is very revealing. I needed something like whenever I record videos, usually at night times, which I'm going to change that more so in the daytime. But when I record videos and my bright studio lights, it's just too much. So I just put this little blanket up here for now until I find some curtains that are like at least what I think 120 inches, which they are expensive. And I have some curtains in mind because I already have them in my bedroom, because I had to get them for my bedroom because I was like, oh no, I need my privacy. These are decorations that I just threw into this room simply because I changed out to fall decor. So yeah, that's that. It's a lot of boxes right here that I have not unpacked. And then let me try, look, glasses on the floor. Let me try and go through. And then this is the second closet, which is very decent size. I think it is a little bit bigger than my last closet. So I definitely want to utilize as much space as I can with this closet, but there's a lot of clothes here, y'all. I'm not playing, that I have to go through, sort out, and give away, sell, and things of that nature. I have more shoes here just at the top. Like, as you can see, I have more clothes here. These are like my not everyday clothes that I'm not probably going to wear. But yeah, I just have a lot of stuff that I have to go through. Like I said, I changed out my I changed out my, it's just so much stuff in here. I'm trying not to fall over. But I changed out my decor that I had when I originally moved in here. So there's like pillows stuck in here. There's my accessory box, like just everything. There's a little TV behind there. Like, I have more boxes here. On the back of the door, I have like this shoe rack for like some shoes here. And then I have all of my coats in here. This is just a second bedroom closet that I'm going to turn into a very functional closet, if that makes sense. I'm going to be giving away or selling a lot of these coats here, but because they're so bulky, I didn't want them to take up so much space into my other closet. And like I said, I barely ever come in here to touch these clothes, but I didn't want to give them away just as of yet. So that's why I just kept it here into this closet. And then up there I have some Christmas decoration and just other little things that I may need. I have those up there, but they're going to be going to the laundry room, so I can utilize that shelf up there. So here's my vision. I want to have my vanity here in this area, as I mentioned. I don't know if I want to have like a mirror right there or a mirror right here. I'm thinking that I'm going to have a mirror right here in this area, only because the window is right here, and the window, as you can see, is like so big, like extremely big. So the light will be best where I can take OOTDs or, you know, put it on my Instagram story or something like that right here in this mirror, instead of having it right here, because the light will be behind me. It just won't look good. And then on this big wall right here, which I'm stepping all the way back, you'll see that that wall is going to be my pack system. And if you're not familiar with the pack system, it's just a system that you can get from IKEA. You can really build it from scratch. So you can put whatever you want to, clothes, you can put shoes, you can put purses, or just anything that's valuable or personal to you. You can put it in there. It's completely up to you. Obviously with me, it's going to be shoes, bags, and accessories, and you're going to see that come together. I'm actually going to have TaskRabbit come in and just build it. Like, I don't know if they'll allow me to record, but yeah, you'll see that process here in front of this window, which I don't want to put anything in front of the window, but I really don't have any choice, because like I mentioned, I have to utilize the space in the room as much as possible. Will be my desk / office area, maybe a shelf over there. But yeah, and then I want to have like a nice pretty rug with an ottoman there. In the closet, it would just be very like extremely organized, less clothes, more organization. All right, you guys, so this is probably like 2 or 3 days after, but you're just now going to see me kind of go through all the clothes here and get this room kind of cleared out so I can be able to prepare it for the new furniture that I'm going to get within the next week or so. It's not naturally this dark, I promise you. Just because I have this blanket over this window, it makes it really dark in here. It's gonna be a whole 360 when this comes down. You're gonna be like, dang girl, all that light. Your girl is looking a little cray, got my hair pinned up and stuff, but I don't really care how I'm looking on camera, because you know, it is what it is. So I know that this is not much, but I feel that, you know, at least I do have like some walk space. I'm definitely going to get rid of that rug. It's very, very dirty, and I'm just like not interested in it. It just doesn't flow with what I'm going for. So there's boxes of clothes here of what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to give away. This is a maybe box right here. Then I have my accessories that I'm going to put in this box here. Whew. It's literally just so much stuff that I have accumulated over the past 7 months, and to be honest with you, I don't even know how I allowed it to get like this bad. So this space is looking very, very crowded and just still a lot of stuff going on. I did go through all the clothes that were out here just like on the floor. I separated into clothes that I want to keep, clothes that I want to give away, or clothes that I want to sell. So you'll see those boxes over there. I also have my accessories box, which is right here. I have all these extra clothes in here, you know, just 2 extra clothes. And I mean, this is a box in a box. Like, what do I have going on? I'm gonna go through these like in part 2, because again, I'm like tired and I have other stuff to do, like get ready for my photo shoot tomorrow. But I did do a little something and I'm excited about that. I do still have to go through these jackets and coats that I do not want, and these clothes here, shoes, those shoes up there, as well as these items here. I got shoes underneath, like I got purses back there. Like, look at all of the purses on top of purses. Like, I gotta go through all of those. And then like I mentioned, those shoes up there. And the last thing will be going through this right here. I don't even think y'all ever see me with my glasses. Yeah, your girl is blind. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this. But yes, Design Squad, I will see you in my next video.